Hello everyone, welcome to the Catia V5 tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can increase the 3D accuracy in Catia V5. So to explain what it means, I have just designed a 3D model of a cylindrical bush which is used in many manufacturing industries. As you can see, it looks like this. So at first instance, you can see it looks quite similar with no error, but when you zoom in a little bit, you can see the edges. When you click on the edges, you can see the edges looks like a polygon rather than a smooth circle. So this is the issue of accuracy in 3D design. So to overcome this, you need to go to the tools, click on the options, and a tab is open where you can see on the left hand side there are options like general, display, compatibility, parameters, and various other options are available. So click on the display, and then you have a tab on the right hand side like this. Then you need to click on the performance tab, and here the options opens like this. So here you can see the first option is 3D accuracy, and a fixed option is there in which value is given. So reduce the value to a minimum level, which is 0.01, and you can see the simultaneous changes in this picture. So you can also change the 2D accuracy here, decrease the value to 0.01, and then click OK. Now as you can see, now part of my edges looks like quite smooth and looks like a complete circle. So this is how you can change the 3D accuracy in Catia V5. Hope you like it. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.